Welcome to the factory. We take pride in the gloss and uniformity of every single candy we make right here.
At sunrise, the chocolate journey begins. Cacao trees packed with pods like little treasure chests. Up close, this pod doesn't look like candy, but inside is the starting point of real chocolate. Harvest is careful and precise. Cut the pod, protect the tree, because flavor starts right here. Crack it open, fresh cacao beans wrapped in white pulp. This is the raw heart of chocolate. Next, fermentation. Natural heat and microbes transform those beans, building deeper aroma and taste. Sun-drying locks it in. Less moisture, more flavor. It's like turning nature's volume knob up. Now the beans are bagged and ready to travel, basically the passport stamp for future chocolate. Loaded and shipped, these sacks head for a modern factory where the real precision begins. Meanwhile, the other hero is growing: peanuts. No peanut center, no peanut candy. Harvest machines lift the plants and pull the peanuts out, dusty, messy, and oddly satisfying. Drying matters. Too much moisture and the roast goes uneven. There goes the perfect crunch. Optical sorting time. Camera eyes scan every peanut. Only the best batch moves forward. Sugar crystals. This is how the iconic shell gets that snap, shine, and clean finish. Milk powder steps in for richness, the part that makes chocolate taste smooth and creamy. And here's the plant, spotless, controlled, and fast, like a factory orchestra tuned for sweets. In the quality lab, everything gets checked: moisture, purity, consistency. Tiny changes matter. Cacao roasting wakes up the flavors like coffee roasting, but the reward is chocolate. Winnowing removes the husk. Buy shells, hello cocoa nibs. Pure flavor, no distractions. Those nibs get ground into cocoa liquor, thick, dark, and intensely aromatic. Watch that chocolate flow, smooth ribbons of cocoa turning into something irresistible. Pressing separates cocoa butter from cocoa solids, two key ingredients, one powerful process. Now it's mixing time. Cocoa, sugar, milk, the recipe starts becoming real. Refining crushes out the graininess. This is where chocolate becomes silky smooth. Conching takes it further, long mixing that softens flavors and perfects the texture. Tempering is the control room. Shine, snap, stability. No dull chocolate allowed. Back to peanuts, roasting brings that deep nutty aroma and the crunch you're waiting for. Cooling sets the roast, so when chocolate hits, it coats evenly and holds perfectly. Here comes the chocolate curtain. Each peanut gets a smooth milk chocolate jacket. Cooling tunnel time. Coatings set, shapes stabilize, and everything stays clean and precise. A second coat builds perfect roundness, uniform bite, uniform look, every single piece. These rotating drums are where the shell is engineered. Constant motion, serious precision. A fine sugar syrup mist goes in. Layer by layer, the shell slowly builds. Tumble, dry, repeat. Each cycle makes the shell smoother, stronger, and more consistent. Red batch, glossy, bold, and perfectly even. Color is part of the signature. Blue batch, same candy, different attitude. A full rainbow is coming together. Green batch, no patchy spots allowed. Uniform coating is the whole game. Yellow batch, bright and iconic. One look and your brain recognizes it instantly. Orange batch, vibrant, glossy, and smooth, like edible gemstones. Brown batch, classic and essential. Not loud, but it completes the set. Polishing glaze is the final shine, turning the shell into a mirror gloss finish. Now watch them cascade, bright, glossy pieces moving like candy jewels. The tiny white M gets printed with micro-precision, centered, crisp, and consistent. Vision inspection checks every piece. Imperfect prints get rejected instantly. Safety systems run non-stop. Metal detection and clean handling keep standards high. Precision weighing makes every pack consistent. No guessing, no shortcuts. Packaging begins. Yellow peanut pouches form, print locks in, and the candy gets its uniform. And the best part? Colorful candy rain pouring into each pouch. Pure satisfaction. Heat sealing locks freshness, crunch protected, quality sealed, ready for the shelf. A different bag style runs too. Same candy inside, just a new outfit on the outside. Small packs fly down the line. Form, fill, seal, built for grab and go. Cartons get packed automatically, folded, filled, sealed, fast and perfectly repeatable. Palletizing robots stack like champions, tight patterns, then shrink wrap armor. Warehouse rows of finished product, ready to move, ready to sell, ready to snack. Loaded into trucks, doors close, and the candy starts its trip to your city. On the store shelf, this is the moment you say, just one pack, and somehow leave with two. Pour them into a bowl, glossy colors, that clinking sound, and instant craving. The clean cross-section, crisp shell, smooth chocolate, and a whole peanut crunch in the center. A river of candy, shiny, colorful, and perfectly uniform. Factory perfection on display. Final pack shot. One pouch, a few pieces, and now tell me, what's your favorite color?